Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The head gasket is a vital part of your car's engine. It seals the cylinder head and the combustion chambers within the engine block, and this then produces engine compression. It also prevents engine oil and coolant from mixing together. When the gasket is damaged or completely blown, it's essential to notice it on time to prevent further damage. This video will show you how to do that, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Poor engine performance. The first sign of a blown head gasket that you'll probably notice is lower engine performance. You'll notice it mainly on the acceleration pedal. The car will start feeling heavy and as if you were towing a trailer behind you. This gets worse over time. Engine overheating. Alongside the bad engine performance, you'll notice engine overheating. At the beginning, the overheating will be barely noticeable, while later, the temperature gauge will constantly show higher values than normal. Later, the overheating will be present all the time. Fluid leaks. Next, you'll notice fluid leaks between the engine block and the cylinder head. When the problem is just starting, you'll probably see only vague traces of dried coolant just under the cylinder head. It may be in one or more places. Later, the leak gets more serious and there will be a bigger loss of engine coolant. Also, you may notice traces of oil leaks. White smoke. Another major sign is a thick white smoke coming from the exhaust. The smoke appears as the engine starts to warm up and the gasket starts leaking. An oil coolant mixture inside the coolant bottle. Finally, the definitive sign of a blown head gasket is a brown, goo-like substance appearing inside the coolant bottle. The substance is a mixture of oil and coolant, and in this phase, you'll also probably notice major overheating. Once you see this, best stop driving the car to avoid further damage and make the necessary repairs as soon as possible. A blown head gasket is a rare car problem. It mostly happens due to engine overheating caused by things like a bad thermostat, thermal switch, lack of coolant, and else. In most cases, these problems are not noticed and fixed on time. The engine then overheats and the gasket blows. So, prevent overheating and you'll pretty much prevent a head gasket problem. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.